The AIRO Comfort Portable Air Conditioner 12000 BTU is a reliable cooling solution suitable for both residential and commercial use. With its powerful 12,000 BTU capacity, this air conditioner is designed to cool rooms up to 550 square feet efficiently. Crafted by AIRO Comfort, a trusted manufacturer known for quality products, this portable air conditioner ensures a comfortable indoor environment during hot days. The unit is made of durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, guaranteeing longevity and sturdiness. Featuring a user-friendly design, the AIRO Comfort Portable Air Conditioner comes with a remote control for convenient operation. The LED display allows for easy monitoring and adjusting of settings. The installation process is simple thanks to the window installation method provided. With a low sound level of 50 dB, this air conditioner operates quietly, providing undisturbed comfort. The white color and sleek design blend seamlessly with any decor. The AC-12 MWS